In most of my IoT-based project, I have used Google Firebase as a backend service. Hey, hello guys, this is Shubhabrato and welcome to our channel Circulation. Today, in this video, I will tell you that what is Firebase, the services of the Firebase, and how you can create project in the Firebase, and how you can send data using ESP32 to the Firebase Real-Time Database. So don't skip the video, watch till the end. Let's get started. What is Firebase? Firebase is a great product from Google which helps developers like you and me to build, deploy and scale our apps and IoT devices easily. It is a bus system. Bus stands for Back-end as a Service. Pricing wise, Firebase is likely one of the cheapest options on the market. It comes with a highly generous free plan and fair pricing. After that, which makes the services suitable to developers and terms of any size. To create project in Firebase, first open up your browser and search for Firebase and click on the first link. After clicking the first link, the Firebase page will appear. Now click on the profile picture image and select an Google account using which you want to operate the Firebase. Then press Go to Console button. Now the Firebase project page will open. For creating new project, click on Add Project. Put a name of your project as you wish. Now follow the procedure as I am doing here. After creating the project, let's have a look on the services of the Firebase. The first service of the Google Firebase is Firebase Authentication. This service is used in sign up and login process of mobile applications. Next, we have Firestore database. Previously, it was called Cloud Firestore. This is a NoSQL database. This database is used for storing user data as well as another data. Now, this is the Firebase Real-Time Database. This is also a database, but it is used only for small and real-time data processing. After that, we have Firebase Storage. As the name suggests, it is used for cloud storage like photos, files, etc. Next we have Firebase hosting. By using this service, we can host almost any type of web application, and you can also add a custom domain to it. Firebase functions. It is used for various type of backend calculations, logic and functions when any event is triggered by Firebase Real-Time Database. And this thing helps to make the mobile application more lightweight. Machine learning is the last service of Firebase. It will help to train and deploy your own machine learning model to solve various real-world problems. Today, I will only show you that how you can use real-time database. For IoT projects, most of the time I prefer to use real-time database, in which I can send and receive data using ESP32 as well as NodeMCU. But in today I will use ESP32. For creating real-time database, click on the real-time database and now click on create database. For location, choose US Central, click on next. Now here are two modes of database. One is locked mode and another is test mode. We will choose test mode. In test mode, anyone can read or write data from the database with proper credentials. Click on enable and we have successfully created the real-time database. Now I will send and receive data using ESP32. For that, open Arduino IDE and in the Manage Library section, search for the Firebase ESP32 library. You have to install these two libraries. Author of these two libraries are mobizt. Do not use any other libraries. After installing, open the basic example code. In the code, you have to put your Wi-Fi credentials and Firebase credentials. In Firebase credentials, we have two things. One is the database URL and another is API key. To get these two credentials from Firebase, follow the required steps I am showing. This example code can send and receive various types of data types like int, float, boolean, string, JSON. I wrote a simple code using this library, which will send and receive two integer values from Firebase. First, I included all required libraries. Here, you have to change only the Wi-Fi and Firebase credentials. In Firebase credentials, there is two fields, database URL and API key. After changing all the credentials, I initialize some variable. In the setup section, to connect the board to my router, I am using these Wi-Fi credentials. Then I connect the board to the Firebase using the Firebase credentials. In the loop section, I am storing random integer number in the x and y variable. Now, if Firebase is ready to send and receive the data, then I am sending the value of x and y by writing this function firebase.setIn. The value of x will be stored in the tag A and the value of y will be stored in the tag B, and both the tag is under a project bucket named as test. After that, I am fetching these two values from Firebase by writing this function firebase.getIn and storing this data into A and B variable. After that, I print the value of A and B in the serial monitor. Now select the board and comport and hit the upload button. Now you can see that ESP32 sending data to the Firebase as well as receiving that data from Firebase. I hope that you learned something from this video, and if you want to know more about Firebase, then comment down below. And if you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you are new. And if you want to watch more exciting videos like this, then stay tuned, and the most important thing, be creative.